Federal health officials call this the worst flu season for children in a decade. Yesterday, Wisconsin reported its second pediatric flu death of the season.
And as far as all ages, NBC 26's Juliana Falk live in studio now with what you need to know about the flu season right now. Juliana?
State health officials say that for all ages, there was a spike in cases of the flu right around the holidays, and then there was a decrease. Now, though, another big jump in those cases. In multiple hospitals, they have these stations to keep everyone as healthy as possible, especially when it comes to the flu.
So far this flu season, we're seeing about 100 patients a week with mostly influenza B.
Dr. Nels Rose, an emergency medicine physician at Baycare Clinic, says they're seeing the flu in all ages, from just a couple weeks old to 90-year-old patients.
I would say being in the thick of things, it certainly seems a little more aggressive this year than it has been in the past.
And other hospitals have been seeing that too.
So far this year, we've seen 260 cases of flu at St. Vincent.
Ken Nelson, the chief nursing officer for HSHS St. Vincent and St. Mary's hospitals, says that's compared to the 37 cases they saw at this time last year. They've also seen 40 flu-related hospitalizations compared to last year's 16 at this time.
With these high numbers, it's cause for concern. We've had 31 deaths so far in Wisconsin this year, 2 of which have been children.
The Wisconsin Department of Health Services says they believe we're approaching the peak of flu season.
I would say that maybe the transmission is a little bit higher because people are tending to avoid influenza vaccination, which we know is helpful.
Health officials continue to encourage people to get the flu vaccine, remember basic hygiene, and stay home if you have flu-like symptoms. And a reminder that HSHS St. Vincent, St. Mary's, St. Nicholas, and St. Clair Memorial Hospitals still have visitor restrictions for children under the age of 12. And they're also trying to limit the number of adults that are visiting as well. Juliana Falk, NBC 26.